Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a really good week. So if you're following me on Instagram, you will know that I made it into the NYX Face Awards top 30 for New Zealand. So excited and so still wowed by the whole thing. But today, this arrived. It is a giant box of goodies from NYX Cosmetics and obviously some of our other amazing sponsors for the competition. So I'm going to unbox this with you. You'll have to excuse me because I do fly out to Australia tomorrow, so I've had little to no sleep. I had to kind of sit back and throw my makeup on. And unfortunately I am away for the first week of the competition, so I'm going to really have to work my ass off while I'm away. I've taken my face charts to do some sketching and get some ideas and really get the ideas flowing before I come back in and jump right back into filming and we find out what the theme is tomorrow. So I'm really excited about that, but you didn't come here to hear all about me, you came to find out what's in here. So let's jump on in. So it's just a note from NYX Cosmetics. Congratulations for making the top 30. And again, thank you so much to our sponsors, Redken, Garnier and Farmers, as well as obviously NYX. So, some pink stuff. Oh, and confetti. Okay, there's confetti. There's confetti everywhere. Does anyone else keep this? I keep all this paper. It comes in so handy for all kinds of things. So, it's all the paper, and inside we have the goodies. Okay, so on top we have a Farmers gift card for $50. Thank you so much, Farmers. This will definitely come in handy. I am going to have to travel to get to my closest store that stocks NYX though. Come on, Pukekohe Farmers, get your stuff together. And then in here we have some purple cords in a box. It must be breakable because it's got Farmers. It's got it's covered in protective stuff. Ooh, oh yes. This is a really cute mirror from Tilly at Home. I love the Tilly at Home brand from Farmers. It's a very heavy mirror. Wow, it's got a cute bee design on the back. This is really cool, especially because when you're doing your makeup, like last time I was trying to like hide the brand mirror that I was using, like it was just getting difficult. So this is perfect. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. This is going to get messy. I can see my floor already. And then, whoa, this is heavy. This is the NYX Beauty School Dropout Back to Basics kit. Oh wow, okay. So it's got all these shadow shades in it, and it's got illuminator, contour and blush shades as well. Shall I open it? Can I open it without breaking a nail? No, I cannot apparently. Wow, this is huge. Okay, I like this. Has got elastic band on it. This is so cool. Something's gonna fall out surely. It's got a mirror on it. It's got a broken blusher. Darn. I could probably. Okay, hang on. Okay. Somehow it's got. I can't really tip it up because it's got a broken blush, but as you can see, it's got a whole heap of eyeshadows, which I'm super, like, these are so cute and super pigmented. These will be perfect for whatever look I come up with. I love the contour shade as well. It is not really warm. It's nice and cool toned, which I like to see. And these blushes are also really pretty. Bummed that one's broken, but we'll just roll with it. I'll probably press that back into place when I get home, put that back together nicely. So that is the Beauty School Dropout thing. I don't know, book, makeup palette. That would make sense, hey? Sleep deprivation is the worst. Alright, then we have a t-shirt. This says Friday. See, it's got empty on the back. Nope, nothing. Just Friday. Friday is my favourite day, so that's cool. And I like that it's nice and roomy. I have some Bonds undies. They're my size. Bonus. I may have to take these on holiday with me. Love Bonds undies. And then we have a juicy peel mask from Garnier. I wanted to try these peel masks. Do I want to take the chance and try this before I go away? Or do I want to wait until I get back? And then this is an ultra hydrating pore refining mask. And is this this is a tissue mask. I love these tissue masks. I haven't tried this particular one, so I'm super stoked to try that. Then we have from Redken some anti-frizz polishing milk. Ooh, I need to bathe my whole head in this. And this is Fabricate, which is a heat activated texturizer. Ooh, also extra cool. These are going to be fun. Perfect. There is a hand. No, it's a candle. Oh, that's hilarious. I bet that's really messy to burn. But that would like drip everywhere. But anyway, this is super cute. So there's a Redken candle. Then there is the double stacked mascara and nylon fiber. So it must be like a two-step mascara. I'm running out of space, people. The next, ooh, so excited about this. Total Control Drop Primer. So it is in vanilla, natural. Oh, there's a dark one. I like that. Now I can just grab them all. Beige, light. So I've got two lights. No, I haven't got two lights. I'm just losing it. Porcelain, which I'm feeling awfully today. True Beige, and then a Mocha, which will be perfect for contouring as well. Well, it looks like it will be anyway. And then we have some powders. This is the powder foundation in, I always have trouble finding the names, Creamy Natural. This one is in Nude. Glad I've got a big desk. The Concealer Correcting Palette, which has got confetti all over it. Then there is the Baked, I love these baked blushes. This one is in Solstice. This one is a beautiful pink. And then there's one more, I think. This one is in Statement Red. Ooh, that's pretty too. Hot Pink. Hot Fuchsia. Trying to like not get the reflective of the reflection of the light. Hot Orange. Ooh, baby. And then we've got Hot Black. Perfect. Oh, bright blue. Oh, it is so pretty. Some more shadows. This one is called Fetish, which is like a really dark aubergine. And then we've got another blue. This one is called Electroshock. A white, which is called Whipped Cream. And then we've got a kind of antique burnt reedy kind of colour, and this is Bad Seed. A brow pencil. This one is medium brown, which is perfect for me. These are lip creams. This one is Simply Red, and this one is Simply Vamp. I have not seen these, so these are intriguing. I love that Simply Vamp. Then we have the Glam liners. I have got like a bronzy one, which I really like. So this one is in, oh my god, got the Old Lady, Glam Platinum, Glam Azure. I like completely like butchered that, but it's a blue. And then there is Glam 24 karat, beautiful gold. We're getting to the bottom of this, guys. Okay, I've got 3 things left. This is the Lip Lingerie matte liquid lips. This one is an embellishment, which I already have, and is one of my favourite nude tones. And then we have got Bedtime Flirt. Then we've got Dusk Till Dawn. And then we have, feeling very spoiled right now, Corset. And then Exotic, which has got kind of a red tone to it, which I suppose why it's called Exotic. It's really pretty. And then Beauty Mark, which is probably my favourite out of all of them. And then we have the Wonder Stick. I've been wanting to try this for ages, so it's got a contour at one end and a highlight at the other. And then there is Cream Highlight Contour Palette and some more confetti. Cream Highlight and Contour Palette, so I presume it's all cream colours? Yes. There's a slightly shimmery one by the looks of it. So that's that there. So I just would like to take a second just to say thank you. I'm so overwhelmed with the love and the support that I've got following my entry of the NYX Face Awards. As I said before, that this for me is about growth, personal growth. If you kind of compared my look that I did last year to the look I did this year, the difference is massive. And then of course there is still I see flaws in my entry, and there are so many things that I would do differently had I had another day, 6 hours, 24 hours, year to finish my entry. So I'm definitely still improving, and so for me this is about growth, and this is a reward for my growth. So I'm very, very thankful for the support of everybody, for pushing me and for keeping me to move forward. I really appreciate it, and I'm really thankful for all this stuff. Like I'm stoked for a very long time. And I'm so thrilled to be finally trying the Total Control Drop Foundation. And I have to mention that it is school holidays, so any noise you can hear, no children were hurt or damaged in the making of this video. They are currently supervised, but they are just children. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. It really means the world to me. I'm going to work my ass off in the next round. My brain is fizzing. I can't wait till tomorrow and find out what the theme is, but I will be on an aeroplane flying to Australia, where I'm going to lie in the sun and kind of dream of an idea of what I'm going to do. So it really gives me, although I don't have as much time when I get back, it's definitely going to give me heaps of time to kind of plan, which I think is probably a good thing, because I'm kind of one of those jump right in kind of people. I want to get right in and I want to get started, and it's probably going to benefit me kind of sitting back and having to think about it first. So anyway, again, thank you so much to our amazing sponsors, Redken, Garnier, Farmers, and of course NYX Cosmetics. Thank you so much for all the stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you guys real soon. Bye bye.